T-Mobile just launched a new business internet called SuperBroadband, combining 5G and Starlink. Sounds powerful, right? But what does it actually do? Here's the full breakdown. SuperBroadband overview. T-Mobile SuperBroadband combines the T-Mobile network and Starlink satellite internet into one managed connection. It is designed for businesses, multi-location setups, remote and rural operations. All plans include built-in redundancy, managed service, and unified support. How SuperBroadband works. Primary connection runs on 5G, backup connection runs on Starlink. Automatic switching between both happens in real time. Key features: dual network redundancy. If one network fails, the other takes over. Nationwide coverage, 5G for cities, Starlink for rural areas, and works almost everywhere. Simple setup, one provider, one bill, and no need for multiple ISPs. Performance and reliability. Designed for near zero downtime. Focus on reliability over speed. Best for retail, healthcare, hospitality, remote business. Hardware and setup includes 5G outdoor equipment, enterprise-grade routers, Starlink integration. The system is professionally installed and managed. Pricing expectations. Likely premium business pricing. Includes hardware plus managed service, not meant to compete with cheap home internet. Limitations and considerations. Business-focused, not for home users. Availability depends on location. Pricing not fully standardized. Performance may vary. What makes it different? Traditional setup includes primary ISP plus backup ISP, multiple contracts, complex management. SuperBroadband includes single integrated system, simplified operations. To learn more, check out the full article. Link in the description. Would you trust a system like this for your business? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe for more internet and telecom breakdowns.